Hello students, in this entrepreneur subject, today we are going to start third unit, that is enterprise marketing. Actually it is all about the marketing. Enterprise word is just added due to the subject, that is entrepreneurship. So enterprise marketing is our topic, and here we will learn the basics of marketing. So in the starting there is a problem that we have thought about the business in unit 1, then we have made a business plan in unit 2, we have chosen the form of business organization, what are type of form we like. So this much task has been done up to unit 2. Now in unit 3 we need to have some goals. So there are several rules for goal setting, and we need to follow those rules, and it will certainly help us. It is just a guideline that if we go by the book or by the rules, then we will have less chances of shocks and surprises. So, what are the goals? Goals for an organization is a future point of view, that where they are and where they want to reach. And for this, they have some objective for a short period, say 1 year, that we want to increase our sales up to this percent, or increase goodwill, or want to improve the number of customers. So there may be different goals for different firms, but as we are starting a new venture, we can have few goals like increasing our customer base, increasing the demand, making awareness about the product in the market by various means of advertising. It may be print media or electronic media. So, what are the rules? First of all, we'll talk about the rules. So, rules are only three rules are here, and these are very simple, easy to learn and understand. First one is business goals need to be relevant. So, our goals should be relevant. Relevant here means that if we want to increase our sales by say 10%, it is relevant. But if we want to remove all the competitors in the market, then it is irrelevant. Competitors will remain always in the market. So, whatever goals we decide, they must be relevant, related to our business. Then next rule is business goals need to be actionable, means upon which we can take action. If we are doing business in the market, there are a lot of things and many ideas come to our mind, and every idea is not feasible as well as not actionable. We think the whole day about various things. So here, whenever we are setting rules for our goals, we must remember that we can take action in that goals or not. If they are actionable, then it is well. And third rule is business goal need to be achievable. Sometimes we have set the goals too high, then it is very difficult to achieve them. So, goals must not be too high or too low, or they can be easily achievable, not for all, but it may be an average. or moderate goals. If they are too high, then it is difficult to achieve. I am not saying that it is impossible to achieve, but sometimes it is very difficult for each and everyone. So there are three keywords: relevant, actionable, and achievable. So whatever goals we are setting, they must have these three properties. Now our next topic is smart goals, and it has a specific full form. S for specific means goals must be specific. They must be they must not be vague. Like increasing sales is not a goal. It is not specific. Increasing sales by 20% is a specific goal. If we say just to increase the sales, then it is a general goal. But if we say increase the sales by 20%, it is a specific goal. Next one is measurable. It must be quantitative. Like here we have written 20%. So the goals must be measurable. Like we have produced 5,000 units last year. Now we want to increase it by 1,000. So we can measure the performance. Something, if we take quantitative aspect or qualitative aspect, then it is not measurable. Any artistic thing or any values which are not measurable must not be included in our goals. It is very difficult to measure them. So, whatever goals we have decided, the goals must be in quantitative nature and must be measurable. Next is A for attainable, means achievable. We have discussed it here also. So whatever goal we have decided, we cannot say that we have to increase sales by 200%. It is wrong. Or we can say 200 times. It is also wrong. 10, 20%, 30% can be achieved. But if we want to increase it manifold, it is very difficult to achieve. So it must be attainable or achievable. Next point is relevant. We have discussed here, which is related to the business. And last one is time bound. So time limit must be there. If we have goals and we does not have a specific time period, then also it is a waste. So it must be bounded by a particular time limit. Say in 1 year we have to achieve this particular goal. If we say for the lifetime of a business we have to achieve this goal, it is total wastage. So these are the basic rules for goal setting as well as smart goals. So if you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you, students.